Okay, it's been raining here for like a half hour now, but it is really coming down, and we're expecting Isabel's mother to fly in from Romania, and her flight got delayed because they can't land. So this is nuts. I mean, I've seen heavy rain before, but this is like the sky is falling. It's incredible, man. But we got this tree right in front of us, so we can't really see. Yep. It's a downpour, baby. Anyway, hope this clears up pretty soon. Otherwise, Isabel's mom isn't coming today, huh? Anyway, it's really, really loud too. See you later.